In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an Exness account. If you've decided that you no longer want to use your Exness personal area, the process is fairly straightforward and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. As you follow along, make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access the settings you need. First, go to the Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where your account information and account management options are located. Once you're there, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible. Next, click on Settings. This is where Exness keeps the controls related to your profile, preferences, and account management. If you don't immediately see it, look through the main navigation area until you find the Settings option. After that, click on Security. This section is important because closing or terminating an account is typically treated as a security-related action. That helps ensure that only the account owner can make major changes like this. Once you're in the security area, go to Device and Account Security. This section contains additional controls related to protecting your account and managing access. It's also where Exness places the option to permanently end your personal area. From there, click on Terminate Exness Personal Area. Before selecting it, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure this is really what you want to do, since terminating your personal area may affect your access to trading accounts and related account information. When the termination form appears, provide a reason for closing the account, agree to the terms, and then confirm the request. Read the on-screen information carefully before submitting so you understand exactly what will happen after confirmation. This final step is what completes the account closure request, and that's it. Once you confirm, your request to terminate the Exness personal area will be submitted according to the platform's process. If the platform shows any follow-up instructions or confirmation messages, be sure to review them carefully before leaving the page. A quick tip before you finish: if you think you may need any records from your account later, it's worth reviewing your information before completing the termination. That way you won't miss anything important. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your Exness account quickly and confidently.